We're going to progress our squat now to the depth of a chair. So this is about a 90-degree knee bend by the time we hit the chair. We're going to still do this supported though, because we really want to focus on quality over quantity. It's a great squat progression during the early phase of an injury or surgery. So give yourself a little bit of handheld support from a table or countertop, something that's not going to move. Feet are going to be shoulder width apart. We're going to initiate this though from a hip hinge. So we're going to stick the butt back and bend the knees at the same time. A lot of people, they have poor squat form, so their knees drive forward, the heels come up, puts a lot of strain through the front of the knees, and it's a very inefficient way to squat. So butt back first, slow, controlled lowering all the way down to the chair, and then as soon as your butt hits the chair, standing up. Now throughout this motion, make sure you monitor for any compensation or weight shift. So if you're favoring one leg, really try to center out. And a good way to do that is in front of a mirror. If you can do this in front of a full-length mirror, really focus on keeping these knees behind the toes, avoiding any weight shift to the uninjured knee, and making sure you're getting that butt back as you squat down.